What you eat during pregnancy can have a huge impact on your baby's brain development. We will be diving into the top 10 superfoods that help support brain growth for your little one, as well as some foods you should avoid to make sure you are giving your baby the best start in life. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, rich in essential nutrients that contribute to the growth and function of the baby's brain, are excellent for supporting the brain development of a baby during pregnancy. Here are the nutrients obtained from leafy greens. Folate is one of the most crucial nutrients for fetal brain and spinal cord development, especially in early pregnancy. It helps form the neural tube, which later develops into the brain and spinal cord. Folate plays a key role in DNA synthesis and cell division, processes critical for the formation of the brain and spinal cord. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and romaine lettuce are excellent sources of folate. Leafy greens, especially dark green ones like spinach, are rich in iron. Iron is essential for the production of red blood cells, which are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body, including to the brain. A lack of iron can lead to anemia in the mother, reducing oxygen supply to the baby and potentially affecting brain development. Number 2. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are excellent for pregnant women because they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA. DHA is a crucial building block for the brain and eyes, especially during pregnancy when your baby's brain is rapidly developing. Fatty fish as brain cell formation, DHA supports the formation of brain cells and the development of the brain structure. A healthy intake of omega-3s helps create neural connections that improve cognitive function. Fatty fish aid cognitive and visual development. Omega-3s, especially DHA, play a key role in the development of the baby's cerebral cortex, the part of the brain responsible for learning, memory, and attention, and retina, which is essential for healthy vision. Fatty fish reduced risk of developmental delays. Research has linked adequate omega-3 intake during pregnancy to improved cognitive and motor skill development in babies, potentially reducing the risk of developmental delays. These fish are considered safer choices because they are low in mercury, which can otherwise harm a baby's developing nervous system. Number 3. Berries. Antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, are abundant in berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Antioxidants help protect the developing brain from oxidative stress and free radicals, which can damage cells. Berries high in vitamin C is crucial for both the mom and baby. It helps in the absorption of iron, which is vital for oxygen delivery to the baby's brain. A well-oxygenated brain develops more efficiently, supporting cognitive function. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados are excellent for supporting the brain development of babies during pregnancy due to their rich nutrient profile. Here's why they're beneficial for promoting brain health in the womb. Avocados are high in monounsaturated fats, which are essential for building and maintaining the brain's cell membranes. These healthy fats support the development of the baby's brain and central nervous system, both of which require a lot of fat to grow properly. Avocados contain significant amounts of folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in preventing neural tube defects in the developing fetus. Folate is important for healthy brain and spinal cord formation. Avocados are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects brain cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin E supports overall brain health and helps maintain the integrity of the baby's brain tissues. Avocados contain choline, albeit in smaller amounts than eggs, which aids in the development of the hippocampus, the brain region responsible for memory and learning. Avocados are also rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and ensures proper oxygen and nutrient delivery to the baby's developing brain. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts such as walnuts and seeds such as flax seeds and chia seeds are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, with DHA being particularly important for the development of the baby's brain and nervous system. DHA supports the development of brain cells and helps improve cognitive function in the growing fetus. Many nuts, especially almonds and sunflower seeds, are high in vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects brain cells from oxidative stress. It also plays a role in brain cell membrane integrity, which is essential for neural development. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of protein, which is necessary for the baby's overall growth, including the brain. Protein helps with the formation of new tissues and supports the production of neurotransmitters. Seeds like sunflower seeds contain folate, a key B vitamin that supports neural tube development in the early stages of pregnancy, preventing defects and promoting healthy brain and spinal cord growth. Nuts and seeds also provide iron, which is crucial for delivering oxygen to the developing baby's brain. Iron deficiency during pregnancy can lead to developmental delays and affect cognitive functions. Magnesium and zinc found in nuts like cashews and seeds like pumpkin seeds are important for brain signaling and proper neural development. While zinc is involved in brain cell development and memory creation, magnesium helps create neurotransmitters. Number 6. Eggs, especially organic and free-range. Eggs are an excellent food for promoting brain development in babies during pregnancy, primarily due to their high content of choline, a vital nutrient that plays a critical role in brain and memory development. Choline helps in forming the structure of cell membranes and is essential for producing neurotransmitters, which are important for brain signaling. It is particularly crucial for the development of the fetal hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for learning and memory. In addition to choline, eggs are also rich in protein, B vitamins, like B12, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which support cognitive function and the overall growth of the baby. Eating eggs, especially with the yolk where most of the choline is concentrated, ensures that moms-to-be are giving their babies a strong foundation for brain development. Number 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent food choice for pregnant women, especially when it comes to supporting a baby's brain development. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is vital for the development of your baby's brain and nervous system. Protein helps build and repair tissues, including brain cells. Greek yogurt is high in calcium, which supports the development of your baby's bones and teeth. Strong bones are essential for overall growth, but calcium also plays a role in the development of the brain and nervous system. Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut. Studies indicate that a healthy gut microbiome may contribute to improved brain health by influencing mood and cognitive function. By supporting your gut health, you're also supporting a healthier environment for your baby's brain development. Greek yogurt also provides several B vitamins, such as B12 and riboflavin, which are crucial for brain function. Vitamin B12, in particular, plays a key role in nerve development and helps prevent brain-related birth defects. Number 8. Sweet potatoes. The beta-carotene found in sweet potatoes is a great source of vitamin A because it is easily converted by the body. Both the development of the brain and its proper functioning during pregnancy depend on this vitamin. It also plays a role in the development of the eyes, immune system, and skin. Sweet potatoes high in folate, or vitamin B9, are essential for the development of the baby's neural tube, which forms the brain and spinal cord. Adequate folate intake during pregnancy reduces the risk of neural tube defects. Number 9. Whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are a great choice for pregnant women, especially when it comes to supporting the development of a baby's brain. Key nutrients like folate, iron, magnesium, and zinc, essential for fetal brain development, are abundant in whole grains. Folate, in particular, plays a crucial role in the formation of the neural tube and reduces the risk of brain and spinal cord defects. Some whole grains, like quinoa and oats, are beneficial sources of ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s are known to play an essential role in brain development, particularly in the growth of the baby's brain cells and neural connections. Whole grains contain a range of B vitamins, including B6, which helps in the production of neurotransmitters essential for brain function. These vitamins contribute to healthy fetal brain development and may support cognitive function in babies. Number 10. Beans and lentils. Lastly, beans and lentils are highly beneficial for pregnant women due to their nutritional content, which supports the development of a smart and healthy baby. Beans and lentils are excellent sources of folate, a B vitamin that is crucial during pregnancy. Beans and lentils are rich in iron, which is vital for preventing anemia during pregnancy. Iron helps produce hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to both the mother and the baby. Now that we have covered the best foods to boost brain development, let's quickly go over a few foods you should avoid to protect your baby's brain. 1. High-mercury fish. Fish like swordfish, king mackerel, and tilefish are high in mercury, which can negatively affect a baby's brain and nervous system. 2. Processed foods and excess sugar. Too many processed foods and sugar can lead to inflammation, which can impair brain development. 3. Unpasteurized dairy products. Avoid unpasteurized cheese and milk, which can carry harmful bacteria like listeria. 4. Alcohol. This one is well known. Alcohol can cause developmental issues and lead to fetal alcohol syndrome. 5. Caffeine. Caffeine in large quantities. While small amounts are acceptable, too much caffeine can reduce blood flow to the baby's brain. Pregnant women should limit their caffeine consumption to less than 200 milligrams per day. This is approximately the amount of caffeine in a 12-ounce cup of coffee. And there you have it, our top 10 superfoods for boosting your baby's brain development during pregnancy, plus some foods to avoid. Remember, what you eat plays a huge role in your baby's growth, so making these smart choices can give your little one the best possible start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.